This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other. Ooh, okay, I like it.
I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I have lived the situation, and I've learned to understand.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. And I know I've been absent a little bit, but I just been busy. So, but if you're new to this channel, make sure you like this video, because why not? You're here. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. This the Lite. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell. Join the game, period. Comment down below if you're about to get one and you just watching videos over and over and over. So yeah, okay, let's get into the video. So they all come in 32 gigabytes, I believe. So I'm about to open it up. I'm about to show y'all. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other. Ooh, okay, I like it. And yeah, hope y'all excited. Like, I'm excited. I'm about to pop this bad boy open and I'm about to show y'all. It's a flap right here. Bam. Y'all excited? If you're excited, get us a like, period. Ain't nothing inside the box. Y'all see that? Ain't nothing in there. Everything is right here. I like it. Y'all like it? Okay, so the Switch came inside this plastic bag. Under here, it looks like the battery. Let's get into what y'all came here for, okay? Period. Y'all want to start with the charger first or the game? We're gonna start with the game first, okay? Period. So I'm taking it out, as y'all can see. Oh, look at that. I am so excited. Look, I'm so excited to use this. Y'all see it? It said on the back. This is the front. I'm excited. Is y'all excited? I can't wait. So I can't wait to play. I know everybody been talking about Animal Crossing. Don't worry, I got that too. And I'm about to show y'all. It's over there. I'm about to show y'all. And I'm gonna do another video because I got other stuff coming in related to this, like the cases and stuff like that. Because obviously the Nintendo kit don't come with it. So for starters, it's comfortable. I'm about to cut it on. Y'all ready? You sure you're ready? If you're ready, comment down below. Right now, I'll wait. I'll wait. I can wait. I can wait, period. Comment down below. If you're new, join the gang, period. Okay. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, so that's why I got yellow. I wanted coral though because it was cute. Like, why not? But it was sold out. Like, it was going back to back to back. Like, out. It was going to sold out, then back on the market, back to back to back. And I ain't got time. And yellow was just sitting there, so I got it. I'm going to leave a link down below for where I got it from, if anybody interested in getting one. So, I'm going to show y'all the battery first. The battery came in this big old plastic bag, okay? Period. This is a big old chunk. It says Nintendo right here, but y'all can't see. So, and the cord is pretty darn long. This is the cord. Let's get into it for what y'all came here for, okay? Period. So, I'm about to pop this thing on. This is the nozzle. This is the little pad. This is a circle, negative sign, positive sign. These the little buttons. This is the nozzle. This is the home button. And I'm about to cut it on. Nintendo Switch. Alright, y'all. I got the Animal Crossing game as well, so I'm about to show y'all that. Oh, hold on. I'm about to show y'all that. I put it in sleep mode. But okay, I'm about to show y'all that. So, okay, y'all, this is the game that I got, Animal Crossing New Horizons. And this is a tiny little case. This is the inside of the case. See the outside, inside. This bitty, big old case for this tiny little bitty thing, okay? And this is the back. This is how you know you can play it on your Switch, because it's right there. One player. It'll show that. Yeah, I'm about to pop the thing in, and I'm gonna give y'all a little review. Okay, when y'all putting it in, make sure the picture is facing your way, not the back way, not this way, your way. Okay, so this is where the game goes. This little slot. Put it in. It popped up on the screen. Okay. So you're still here, and if you are getting one, and I got mine for the regular price because I know coronavirus. Y'all know coronavirus is going around, and everything is up. Like the prices is up, they up. I got mine for the regular price. So if you want one, I will leave the link down below where I got it from. Don't worry, it's official. You see mine. Period. So it's loading. It's taking forever. I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of it. I'm gonna try to record it on here. So I'm gonna try to screen record from here, and then could I send it to myself? I have no idea. If I can't do that, then y'all won't see it. But yeah, it's still loading and it's taking forever. So comment down below if you're getting one, or if you plan on getting one, get it or not. This game is so time consuming. I'm telling y'all, like, I be playing all the time. So yeah. Y'all know what time it is. I'm about to try to screen record from here. Hopefully I can send it to myself, but if I can't, I don't know what to tell y'all. But yeah, like this video if you're new, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back watching my video. Thank you. Comment down below if you got this game. So I'm showing y'all my stuff so far. Pretty simple. But okay. This is the crib, period. Nothing much. This is what I got outside. Nothing much. Slight stuff. But it's raining. If you got this console and you like it, what color do you got? Comment down below. If you got this game, comment down below. Let me know how you is. Comment your thing if you want me to add you. My thing will be down below. My little code. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I know I've been talking so much, but I'm done now. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell so you can know every time I post. I'm going to be posting every week. I'm going to try. I'm not going to try. I'm going to do it. I'm going to be posting every week, period. Even if it's once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. Make sure you click that bell so you'll know either one of those. So thank you for watching. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's right here somewhere on the screen. And bye. Thanks for watching.